What's going on, guys? And I wanted to do a quick review on the Kodak SCANZA digital film scanner. The reason I got this is when my dad passed, he had all of these slides that I wanted to go through. He had hundreds of them, and I could not handle looking at holding up each photo and trying to figure out what was in it. So we got this thing, which is a lifesaver. This also converts 35 millimeter, Super 8 millimeter, 126, 110 negatives and slides. So each one of these things does something different. And there's a little book here. We'll explain how to use it depending on what slides you're using. I don't have all these other slides, so I'm just showing you how I use this one. So basically, it's really easy. You slide this in. I'm doing this with one hand. You get it to where you want it, depending if it goes horizontal or the other way. Then you put it right over in there, and then, oh, there we go. And now you can see what's on there. You can select it. I don't have a USD in there right now because I took it out. But basically, when you go to home, you just hit capture and you literally hit this button and it would save. And on the back here, as you can see, move this. It's got all, you could put it in the TV. It's got the USB cord. It's got different SD cards. So you just put an SD card and then you can save everything. Oh, so you can save everything on here. So this is where you put in different sizes of the film. Comes with all these cool little things. So if you're in a different country or you need this in different outlets, it comes with that. It comes with plugs for your TV and an HDMI cord, which is awesome. But yeah, this thing saves so much time, and you can just really pop them in there and you can capture it really easy. Right here is settings. You could change some brightness. You can change a few different things. I haven't messed around with this much because even if you can select the different film types, but it works basically even if you don't set any of that. Really easy. Then you just, like I said, here's your gallery so you can see all what you have. I took my SD card out, but you just literally just click that button and it saves it, and then you can put that on your computer so everyone can see all these old amazing photos. Like I said, I went through hundreds, and instead of taking me hours and hours, it didn't take me that long. You just slide them in and you get it done. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope this review helped.